9mm casings found at the scene. Well, these are the casings from the triple murder.
Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Come here.
850. Right here. What'd you say? 850. And that's a fucking Snickers bar. You're in 4th grade, pal? It's so good to meet you.
There is nothing before the pool until the books show that we are finished.
Charity for kids, great PR.
Hey, kid.
Hi, cutie. You're so cute.
NBC affiliated Athens, we're looking at.
Y'all come with us to the house.
All right, look, just